Step 1. Manually calibrate current. First, connect the power cables of the multimeter, control unit, and tester. Then there's the cable connection. Connect the control unit to the tester using a network cable. The control unit is connected to the switch. The multimeter is connected to the switch. Finally, connect the switch to the computer using a network cable. Next, connect the multimeter test line. Red represents the positive pole and black represents the negative pole. The red wire is connected to the positive terminal. The black wire is connected to the negative terminal. Connect the fixture to the tester and tighten it. Connect the fixture to the test wire on the multimeter. After powering on the device, start the tester, control unit, and multimeter in turn. Then click Shift key, Display key, I/O key, LAN settings key. You can view the multimeter IP address. Press Shift and DCV to switch to DCI mode. The multimeter screen displays the current unit. Next, we will show the general setup section of the computer. Enter the Windows Security. Find the Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection. Turn off Real-Time Protection, Cloud-Delivered Protection, and Automatic Sample Submission. Then click on Firewall and Network Protection in the left column. Turn off Domain Network, Private Network, and Public Network. Access Control Panel. Click Network and Internet. Access the Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings in the left column. Right-click Ethernet, click Properties, and select the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 item. Click Properties and select. Use the following IP address. Enter the IP address 192.168.10.250 manually. The IP address must be the same as the IP address of the control unit server. Click the Subnet Mask input box to automatically detect the mask address. Click OK, then click Close. Open BTS software. Click User, select User Login. The username is admin and the password is Neware. Right-click in the blank area and select Reset Mapping. Right-click and select Main CH Default Mapping 1x8. Then right-click to save the mapping. The software interface displays 8 test channels. Click on Tools and select Calibration. After clicking Connect, the channel and multimeter IP will be displayed in the left column. Ensure that the multimeter IP address is the same as that on the multimeter display. If the IP address of the multimeter is not displayed, click Connect again. Click System Configuration and select Standard Connection Settings. You can view and modify the multimeter's IP address here. Confirm that the following 2 options are unchecked, then click OK. Select Manual Adjust, and then select the channel that you want to calibrate, shown here as Channel 1. This is the calibration current, so double-click CC milliampere. After successful selection, a yellow arrow is displayed before the option, and then click Start. Enter the multimeter reading at this time into the Multimeter Value box, noting the conversion unit. Then click Fill in next to Display Value in the low point box below. Then click Start. Enter the current multimeter reading into the Multimeter Value box. Click Fill in next to Display Value in the high point box below. Do this in turn and complete all current calibration items. When the device is not equipped with a negative power supply, an external power supply is required for calibrating. DC milliampere. If the device serial number includes the letter F, it indicates that the device comes with a negative power supply, otherwise it does not. The hardware connection mode is shown in the figure, and the software operation is the same as calibrating. CC milliampere. The next step is to calibrate the voltage manually. Replace the red wire on the multimeter into the input jack. Then, connect an external cement resistor. Attach the crocodile clamps to the two ends of the cement resistor and the positive and negative probe terminals of the multimeter respectively. Next, switch from DCI mode to DCV mode, and the units on the screen will change to voltage. Also select Manual Adjust, and then select the channel that you want to calibrate, shown here as Channel 1. This is for calibrating voltage, so double-click the CVV option. After successful selection, a yellow arrow is displayed before the option. Now click Start. Enter the current multimeter display value in the Multimeter Value box, noting the conversion unit. Then click Fill in next to Display Value in the Low Point box below. Afterward, click Start. Enter the current multimeter reading into the Multimeter Value box again. Click Fill in next to Display Value in the High Point box below. Repeat these steps for all the voltage calibration items. To calibrate DV, you need to connect a constant voltage power supply in series, as shown in the figure. The software operation is the same as calibrating. CVV. Select the completed items, and right-click to manually export the current data. That wraps up the entire demonstration. Thanks for watching.